Hey guys, welcome to another Trade Genius podcast. Bob and Phil here. Guys, jobs data came out. What does it mean? Well, we're going to talk about it. Short term, bullish, long term. Watch out. Let's dive in.
Trade Genius.
Hey everybody, it's Bob with Trade Genius. Usually I do fun ads. I talk about our service, but I want to be serious with you for a second. We've been helping a lot of people trading for a long time. As you can see here, I want to let them do the talking for me for a change. But most importantly, we want to help you too. If you've not joined our service yet, come check us out, tradelikeagenius.com. Full service. You know, we have chat room. We have the algorithms for you. We give trades out every day. We educate you. So go to tradelikeagenius.com. Check us out. What you get out of our service is much, much more than what you put into it. And we'd like to see you in the room. Thanks for listening.
Okay, Bob. So we had our jobs numbers come out. And from what I saw, we had unemployment kind of creep up a little bit more. So that to me, it says that, you know, our longer term picture of jobs, joblessness increasing is on par and what you see prior to a recession. The other numbers were strong short term, which the market doesn't necessarily like because then it gives the Fed more ammo to be hawkish because that seems to be the current game. At least that's what I saw this morning. What did you see?
Yeah, the same. You know, it was interesting because I sent you this chart before the unemployment report came on, and it's basically saying the trend on unit labor costs is falling, but we had a short-term blip here. And you know, Phil, throw my tinfoil hat on for a second. Look, they're trying to give themselves room for a blast off next week, in my view. And I think this was a stop run kind of game. Because if you notice, we opened down on SPY, and then we had a 40-point ES move higher. And then they basically B-bottomed it, then they M-topped it. And you know, now we're just chopping around into the close. I think this is all just noise. You know, oil did the same thing. But I think the cake is baked on the economic picture. We're just slowly dying here. And this is just noise. And I think it dovetails perfectly into what the Fed wants to do. I think they want to say they're winning, but they haven't won yet, be dovish enough to cause the summer rally and be in a position to cut going into the fall. And I think this is setting up, the narratives are setting up perfectly for that. Because these numbers, they can make up whatever number they want. And it doesn't even matter if your labor costs are higher, but nobody's working, right? You know, if a tree falls in the woods, does anybody hear it kind of a thing?
Yeah. And if you notice too, they tend to push down into the FOMC announcement, which it's all a bunch of games, right? But I think the catalyst will be, and you've been saying this, is that we're going to be somewhat range bound into that. So, you know, once again, we rung the bell on a Friday for the high for the week. That could certainly hold us until Wednesday. Last time we had an FOMC announcement, we went down into the announcement. The announcement was the absolute pico bottom, and then we've rocketed up ever since. So could be the game that we continue to play until we finally get our top in this market.
Yeah, I mean, no doubt. You know, everybody is anticipating this. I mean, you're starting to see more and more people just getting ready for the summer rally. And these kind of games are like, you know, basically stop hunts, you know, and
yeah.
The video that we're going to do tomorrow, we're going to show you another one that's doing the same thing. Short term, they want you out of the position. Long term, rocket ship.
Right. All right, guys. Well, let us know your thoughts on this. And as always, we appreciate you guys watching. Head over to tradegenius.co and check out our stuff over there if you'd like to join Bob and I in the Discord rooms. Otherwise, thanks, Bob, for the chart. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Take care.
Trade Genius.